SEALSQ announced a $125 million registered direct offering with several institutional investors to raise capital meant to accelerate its roadmap for post-quantum security products, which target industries like defense, IT infrastructure, smart energy, medical systems, automotive, and industrial automation. Under the agreement, SEALSQ will sell 30,413,630 ordinary shares or pre-funded warrants in place of shares at a combined purchase price of $4.11 per share, which is priced at the market under NASDAQ rules. The offering also includes warrants to purchase up to 60,827,260 additional shares. These warrants will have an exercise price of $5.50 per share, will be immediately exercisable, and will expire 7 years after issuance. The offering is expected to generate approximately $125 million in gross proceeds before commissions and expenses. An affiliate of Heights Capital Management, Inc. is leading the investment, while Maxim Group LLC is acting as the sole placement agent. SEALSQ plans to use the proceeds primarily to strengthen its cash position and accelerate the commercialization of its post-quantum and quantum technologies, particularly in the United States and Europe. The deal is expected to close around March 17th, subject to standard closing conditions. While we wait for that, check out TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.